In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo component in Figma. If you've ever placed a reusable component on your canvas and then realized you need to customize parts of it, the trick you're looking for is detaching the instance. This lets you keep your original design safe while editing a separate copy however you like. First, open the Figma website in your browser and load the file you're working on. Make sure your project is ready to go. In my example, I'm working with a design that includes text and a shape combined together, and it's been used as a component on the canvas. You'll typically see a small diamond icon and the word instance in the right sidebar when a component instance is selected, which helps confirm you're working with the right object. If your first click selects a text or shape inside, click again on the outer bounding box to grab the whole instance. You can also confirm selection in the Layers panel where the instance appears with a component icon. Next, find the specific component on your canvas. Click once to select it, then copy and paste it to create a working copy. Creating a duplicate before editing is a safe way to preserve your original instance so you can always go back if needed or compare the before and after later. With the copied component selected, right-click and choose Detach Instance. This is the key action that undoes the component relationship. Detaching breaks the link between this instance and its main component, so any future updates to the master will no longer sync to this copy. That's expected here, and it's exactly what allows you to modify everything inside freely without affecting the source. Now that it's detached, you can freely adjust each element inside. Move items around to change their position, nudge or resize shapes, tweak spacing, and edit the text content. You can refine colors, borders, or effects to match your layout. If alignment guides appear, use them to keep things tidy and zoom in when making small adjustments so your changes are precise. And that's it. By opening your project in Figma, locating the component, making a copy, and detaching that instance, you've effectively undone the component for that one copy and gained full control over every element. Keep the original instance on the side if you plan to reuse the component later, and use the detached version for one-off edits. Thanks for watching and happy designing.